My absolute favorite real estate hack in Greenville, South Carolina is to buy property as close as you can to the Swamp Rabbit Trail. It doesn't matter if it's a home, an investment property, or a commercial property. The Swamp Rabbit Trail is the gift that keeps on giving in Greenville. It generates millions of dollars for local businesses every year, and property owners can cash in too. It's one of the best kept secrets in the Greenville housing market. The Swamp Rabbit Trail follows an old railroad corridor, and the centerpiece is downtown Greenville. The trail is paved, connecting parks, the zoo, neighborhoods, sister cities, and all roads lead straight back to downtown Greenville. You'll see walkers, runners, furry friends, children, and adults. You can move your body all the way to Travelers Rest, Simpsonville, Mauldin, and Fountain Inn. It all started back in 2009, turning an abandoned railway into a thriving community space. Since then, it's become one of the most beloved features of our city, bringing together locals, tourists, and yes, savvy home buyers and investors. You can't beat the views of the Reedy River in Falls Park, and you'll never go hungry with all of the restaurants and stores that are popping up all along the trail. Here's the thing. Homes near the Swamp Rabbit Trail aren't just convenient, they're in high demand for people of all ages who crave an active lifestyle. And the best part? The trail keeps growing and growing. Recent expansions have connected it to Unity Park, making downtown even more accessible. And right now, plans are underway to extend the trail south toward Lake Conestee and further north beyond Travelers Rest. Every new mile means more neighborhoods get connected and more properties will jump in value. From a real estate perspective, proximity to the Swamp Rabbit Trail is like having a built-in marketing plan for your home. Buyers from out of state, especially those relocating from walkable cities, are drawn to the lifestyle. They'll pay a premium for it, and it's one of the easiest ways to stand out in a competitive environment. So if you're thinking about buying in Greenville, here's my tip. Pull out a trail map before you start house hunting. Even if you're a couple of blocks away, that easy access can make all the difference in daily life and your home's resale value down the road. I own an investment property on the Swamp Rabbit Trail. It's a game changer when it comes to lifestyle, walkability, and automatic property value increases every year. I help buyers and sellers take advantage of the trail every year. So if you'd like to cash in on the Swamp Rabbit Trail next, let's connect. I'm Angela Rodriguez with Encore Realty, and I'll see you on the next video.